Now we will study nature of business finance. Nature of business finance will be studied under two headings. Number 1, purposes of business finance and benefits of business finance to a business concern. So, first of all, let's see the purposes of carrying out business finance activities. Number 1, to procure fixed assets. In order to start a business, funds are required to purchase the fixed assets like land and building, plant and machinery, and furniture and fixtures. This is known as fixed capital requirements of the enterprises. Next one, we required finance for fulfilling working capital requirement. The financial requirement of an enterprise do not end with the procurement of fixed assets only. A business needs funds for its day-to-day operations. This is known as working capital of an enterprise, which is used for holding current assets like raw material or inventory, bills receivables, for meeting current expenses like salaries, wages, taxes and rent, to make sure the availability of cash to meet short-term obligations, or to maintenance or stock of finished goods inventories. Third one is growth and expansion. Merely earning a profit is not sufficient for the business. It needs to achieve growth and expansion in future. So, to expand the business, to achieve growth and development for the business, a business concern required funds, and to manage funds to get higher returns. Okay, now we will see benefits of business finance. Number 1, to meet up the liabilities of the business. When anyone carry out the business, it essentially create liabilities that are debt burdens on the business. So to meet out the long-term liabilities like payment to suppliers, payment to long-term borrowings, etc., we need funds. Next one, for running smooth business operations. So to meet out day-to-day expenses, to run business operations smoothly, we required funds to meet our short-term obligations. All right. Next one, we also need fund to cope up with the latest technology and new innovative methods in order to meet the severe competition in the market. Next one is to employ business opportunities. Lots of opportunities are created in the market. So if anyone wants to employ these business opportunities and earn higher returns, they need to invest funds in it, like to meet the market demands of the products. They require fund of production of that products, to buy raw material, for carrying out production process. One required huge funds to meet up the demands in the market or to supply products on time. Next one, strong competition. In the age of globalization, competition is essential element of the market, and everyone wants to win leadership position in the market to gain certain benefits. So it required funds to meet the competitive policy of competitors in the market. Replacement of assets. With the passage of time, we need to replace our assets because fixed assets tends to decline in terms of quality and durability. So at a particular point of time, we need to replace our assets in order to carry out business activities smoothly. So for this purpose, we required funds. Next one is to meet the depression or recession period. As business cycle involves various stages like expansion, recovery, depression, recession and peak period. So in depression or recession period, adequate requirement of fund is essential to stay in the market or to maintain our business activities properly. All right.